Now we going in a Darbar restaurant to test the two most popular dish in Iran, Dizi and Fesenjan. Absolutely, I am so excited to go in and test this so nice and delicious dish. It's a very nice atmosphere and absolutely so amazing place to be. It's a traditional Iranian restaurant and the design is absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. Salad Shirazi. Wow, it's so beautiful. And tomato, cucumber, onion, and some fresh basil and lemon juice. Wow, we're going to test this. Wow, so refreshing and very delicious. Because it's the lemon juice is very soury. Wow. Wow, very crunchy and soury. That's so refreshing and so nice. We got the chance to go in kitchen and to see how they cooking Dizi. Absolutely, I'm so excited to go in kitchen and see chefs how they cooking Dizi. Well, I'm in the kitchen. Absolutely, it's so nice and amazing. And our Dizi is over here. And always with Dizi is fresh bread. That was amazing to watch. He's making fresh bread and Dizi was so nice, and now I cannot wait to test the Dizi and Fesenjan. Wow, it was so nice to watch how they're working in the kitchen. Wow, our Fesenjan is back. Look at this. Wow, nice. Smell aroma chicken. And now this is our Dizi. Look at this Dizi. Look at this Dizi. Wow, potato and lamb. That's beautiful. Look at this. Smell aroma chicken, and I smell pomegranate and walnut. Look at this. Nice. This Fesenjan, it's come from north of the Iran, and it's popular all over Iran. Absolutely so amazing dish to try, and I really love this dish. Look at this chicken, just that. That's nice sauce. Wow, it's so delicious. Absolutely amazing. Ingredient for the Fesenjan, it's chicken and walnut and onion and pomegranate molasses, and all they mix and they cook for a few hours. Wow, that's so delicious dish. Chicken is very soft, and rice is very soft and so fluffy. Wow, that's a very nice combination. Wow, look at this. It's a mixture. Absolutely, it's very nice. I really love it. It's a little bit soury because of the pomegranate molasses, and then it's a very nice combination. Taste of the walnut and the onion and the chicken all together. It's so nice and so delicious. Now I'm going to eat Fesenjan with the bread. It's so nice and fresh bread. I really love they making fresh bread. That's one thing. Every restaurant need a fresh bread. That's so good. And chicken and some sauce. That's it. Just put over the bread. Look at this. Wow. It smells aroma, pomegranate and chicken and walnut. Wow. Look at this chicken. It's so beautiful. Wow. Wow, so delicious. It's a little bit soury, and the taste of the pomegranate molasses, absolutely, it's so delicious. And the chicken is very soft. Oh yeah. I really cannot stop it, and it's so delicious. And now I have another dish to try, this one. And now we're going to test our Dizi. Now we're going to test our Dizi. Wow. First, what we need just to drop it, some juice. Just to hold the meat and drop it the juice. Wow, that's so good. Now what we have to do? We have to just make a bread in a small piece. Make a bread a small piece and drop it in the juice. The bread is so nice. And now take this masher, just leave it for a few seconds, and the bread getting a little bit soft, and now is ready to eat. And now we're going to eat our Dizi. Wow, absolutely, it's so delicious, and the juice is absolutely amazing. Look at this. That's so tasty. It's not much oily fat in, but it's not much oil inside, and it's so delicious. Wow, it's so delicious. And now we're going to eat the main one. Look at this one. Look at this lamb and potato, and we have to now smash it with this. That's the way. Look at this one. Smash it. Wow. And there is a chickpea and white beans, and you can see the sheep fat. Wow. And now we have to nice one. That's a smash everything. Now everything mixed together. Look at this one. Now everything is mash. Now we can use a piece of the bread and take some of this mash. The lamb is very tender and so delicious. Wow. Lamb and chickpea and white beans and potato. That's nice combination. Really, it's a good dish. And now we drop it over here, all of them. Look at this. All the lamb and chickpea and potato. Wow, that is still coming. Wow, that's everything in here now. Look at this. Mash lamb and chickpea and potato. Wow, really amazing. Look at this one. Mashed lamb and the chickpea. Really, lamb is so tender and so nice cooked. We have a side dish for Dizi. Onion and radish and parsley and some mint and a piece of the fresh bread and some mash. Dizi. Look at this one. Wow, so good. And and take your onion. Fresh onion. Meat is very soft and onion give a nice crunch. Wow. Really, Dizi or Abgoosht is one of the best, and it has around 400 calories, and it's not oily, and this one is cooked very good. Really, I enjoy it, and absolutely it's one of the best dish. And now I am almost full, and now I drink some duqa, Iranian duqa. Duq will help you to wash down all the heavy meal, and it's very healthy. Wow.